Have you see my screen? Can you see?
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. So come to the WordPress. So basically, WordPress is a content management system. Means we can. Yeah, WordPress is a basically a software which is free, and it is developed by WordPress .org. That is a company. So this software is developed to manage or everything we can do from the admin panel. So this WordPress is basically a open source software which can be used to manage blogs, websites, and yeah, that may be personal website or e-commerce website. Basically, it was invented for to manage blogs, but nowadays it can be means everything can be created and managed by WordPress. Every website, like a personal website, business website, e-commerce website, everything we can do easily using this free open source tool. This is a software tool. So it is called content management system because we can manage every content of our website, like text, image, link, sidebar, footer, header, every content we can manage as per our wish. So that is called the content management system, and it is very easy to use. We can just drag and drop their elements, and we can see the view of it on the website. So that is called that is why this is called a content management system, so that we can manage content easily and using drag and drop or manually also. So this is the content management system, and it's very popular content management system today, because world's whatever websites we see on the internet, among the websites, it's also occupies 30% of that. Means total websites, 30% is developed by WordPress. So this is a big means big platform which can be used for developing a website. Um, this is the overview of WordPress.